bottom line, man. So, listen, thank you for what you do. And you got the warmest jackets going.
That is true.
Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Pleasure meeting you.
If you have to get out today, you want to do it on public transportation. This ferry is a great way to come out and get to Staten Island, or from Staten Island to get to Manhattan. But listen, let's be safe. Let's stay off the roads. Let's do what's right. Right. Hasn't been too bad though, right? Well, thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate you.
It's a wicked New England storm, and it's going west to east. The good news is that the snow so far seems to be a little bit lighter. Lighter snow means less impact on trees, and less impact on trees means less impact on utilities. I think there's probably maybe 100 outages right now, but we're watching this carefully with the winds picking up. That could be a substantial issue.